Alright, kid.
Here we go.
Here we go. 1 minute.
We gotta tell Lombardi you're coming for him.
Come on, bud. Next, kid.
Keeping it nice and tight.
Alright, remember, eyes on that chin bar. Hips are straight the whole time. Just some good reps in. Here we go, kid. Come on, Darden. Keep it up, buddy. Stay level, stay level.
We're about halfway there.
Man, more than halfway there. This is easy, kid.
One of these days we'll give you a challenging weight. For now, we'll just keep it here.
Yep. Straighten those hips out, straighten those hips out, squeeze your butt. Straighten them out, squeeze your butt. Come on, kid. Come on. Keep it up, kid. Less than 15.
Deep breaths, deep breaths.
Next, she said. Aiden's up next.
Are you gonna do 50?
No?
Keep it up, kid. Come on, come on.
You gonna do 50 pounds on your back?
There you go, kid. Easy.
I'm making 50 pounds on my back, really.